Hi, I'm Paul, the Happy Gilder. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to cover my process of displaying a full colour photo within a mirror. So this is the design I'm going to be using. If you haven't seen my first video on how to make a custom mirror, I'd recommend looking at that first because that covers all of the steps that will come up to this point. So what I've done here, if I just show you the back, I've sandblasted everything, all of the design out of it, painted the areas that are black, and I've left this section here which we're going to make the window. And to do this we only need one thing, and that is clear lacquer. So at the moment the sandblasted area it'll let light through, but you're not going to be able to see through it. Once we apply the clear lacquer, that will turn that edged area into a window, and then we can mount the picture behind that. So the picture I'm going to be using is from an old photography book, which I'll use this picture here, which I think will look quite nice with the design. So just going to move on and apply the clear lacquer. And that's all there is to it. Now I just need to get our photo, line it up inside the frame, and then tape it in place. So okay, now I'm just going to back that up with a piece of vinyl just to hold it in place. Okay, and that's it. So just have a look at the end result. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe and click the little thumbs up, and please share it with anyone who you think might like it. Till next time, thanks.